What is the pattern? In sewing or fashion design, the pattern is a piece of paper that are prototypes of parts of clothing or sewing product. The pattern is used as an example to avoid mistakes when cutting the fabric. The pattern has three types that are generally used by designers. First, flat pattern drawing. This method takes a basic pattern and translates it into a 3D shape with muslin fabrics, which is then transferred to paper. Second, drafting. This method is traditionally drawn in paper and has markings for each allowance to complete the formation of garments. Third, fashion draping. This style of pattern fashion involves wrapping the muslin over a form or mannequins to create a 3D shape.